What's going on, everybody? Josh here. In this video, I'm out in Seaire in Parrish, Florida, the Lagoon community, and I'm going to take you on a tour of two of Pulte's model homes because they are now selling by appointment only, and I got a sneak peek, so I'm going to bring that to you. And we're going to walk in here to the Welcome Center, show you around a little bit. So if you like home tours and you want to know more about this Lagoon community, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Parrish, Florida and surrounding areas. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact number is right here. Give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever's easier for you, or you can scan this QR code right here. That will take you to my Calendly link where you can schedule a one-on-one Zoom call to discuss your real estate goals. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. So I'm in the Welcome Center here, and you can see the map here. I know I've already done some videos before, but this is phase one. So when you come in off of Moccasin Wallow here, this is where the Lagoon's gonna be. They're shooting for Memorial Day weekend, but as you know, things change, but that's what they're shooting for. I've already done, this is the Dreamfinder stuff. I've already, filmed this. The DRB, I filmed that, the Lennar. DR Hortons, they've been in here a month or so now. Haven't done those yet. And then the Dreamfinders and Parrish Homes, they're coming. Obviously this video, I'm showing you the Pulte stuff. And then you're gonna have MI come in here and more Lennar stuff. So here's kind of a look of what the Lagoon is going to look like. I know a lot of you have seen me do the videos up in Epperson and Mirada, up in Wesley Chapel in San Antonio. This was going to be a little bit smaller than that, but same concept. And then here's just some of the different builders. So it's going to be a nice little welcome center here. If you're ever interested, and they're going to be here a couple of years, probably all the way through development. All right, so we're over in the Pulte section, and this is actually the easiest way to get here is to come in off of Sawgrass Road instead of the main entrance through Seaire. But real quick, I want to go over a little bit of the stuff here. So they're going to offer 7 different floor plans. They have 2 different model homes. I'm going to take you through those. They have 40-foot lots and 50-foot lots, and the total, well, I guess it's starting price. They start at $360,000 and go up from there, and range anywhere from 1,498 square feet up to 2,946 square feet. And the HOA, CDD, and Lagoon fees all combined is $308 per month for the 40-foot lots and $346 for the 50-foot lots. Okay, so this first one is a Mystique. As you can see here, the garage is set up as their sales office. The Mystique can be built as a 3 to 4 bedroom. It's a 3-bath, 2131 to 2200 square feet, and it starts at $437,000. So let's go inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And keep in mind, this is a model home. They are building a couple inventory homes. They're going to have one that'd be ready, what's now February, so in March, about $500,000. So since it is a model home, I'm not going to point out all the different finishes. We'll just go through it, show you the layout. But this one does have the 8-foot doors. Your bedroom number 1 up front right here. Enough room for 2 nightstands, your bed, and also a dresser over here. And then just kind of your standard closet, the 8-foot doors. Come out of bedroom number 1, you're gonna have your first bathroom here. Get your single vanity, and then your tub and shower combo here. And behind the door, there is a linen closet as well. All right. And then out of bathroom, you're gonna have bedroom number 2. And this one actually has a door for the closet instead of the bypass doors or sliding doors. All right, back to the main hallway. crossover. So we come in the front door and turn right. This would go out to the garage, but it's the sales office. And then right here would be your laundry room. So you got the cabinets, countertop, sink here. And then your washer and dryer would go over here. And then behind this door would be your air handler, and you have some room in here for storage. As you can see, they have their printer in there. All right, so coming in out of the garage, you could turn right. Got a little space here if you want to create a little bit of drop zone. They just obviously have a mirror here. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. And then this is bedroom number 3. Of course, they have this one set up as an office with your sliding doors and just your standard closet here. And then this one has an ensuite. With your tub and shower combo. And no linen closet in this one. All right. Come back to the main entryway here. See up there, come down the hallway. Right here to the left is going to be your flip-flop closet. And then continuing on, come into your grand room, a living room, whatever you want to call it. Everybody calls it something different. Let me know in the comments below, what do you call this room? You call it a living room or grand room, family room? And it's opened up to your kitchen here. Nice big island. This is an electric community here, so you have your electric cooktop, range hood up here. This one's with the gourmet kitchen with the wall-mounted oven and microwave. And then in the island, got your dishwasher and your single bowl undermount sink. And then your pantry right here. They've got a Lazy Susan in the pantry. That's nice. Definitely not standard, but it's nice. And then your dining room right over here. All right, let's go back here, take a look at the main suite. Nice size bedroom here. Plenty of room with the dresser, king size bed, 2 nightstands, plenty of room. This one has a pocket door leading into the bathroom. Come in, you have your dual vanity here. And then I love their showers. You come in, you have the bench right there, built-in niche, of course your glass. And then you have shower head there and your rain shower head. And then a transom window up there. So definitely love this shower. And then around this way is going to be your water closet. And then right across from there, you're going to have your linen closet. And your walk-in closet is back here. Of course, all of these, this custom closet is not standard. This would just be an empty room in the spec homes. All right. Let's go back here. I'll show you the covered lanai. I know I've done this model before in other communities, but love the corner sliding glass doors. Let's see. Open these up. It is a little chilly today. We had winter today. It's like the high is only 60 today, but these open up and they, at least on this side, they recess all the way into the wall over there. So you get this nice indoor outdoor living. And of course, this one has the outdoor kitchen. So that's an option if you decided you wanted to build. And then what I really like about this lanai is it wraps around here. So great lanai for entertaining. If you decided to put a pool in, be a great lanai for that as well. I'm going to show you not so much the backyard here because this is the model home. I'm going to turn around and show you the back of this one. Once again, this is the Mystique floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I will see you at the next one. All right, this is your quick, friendly real estate reminder that if you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you use a real estate agent. As nice and as knowledgeable as the sales reps are, they represent the builder and not you. So if there's anything I can do to help you, reach out. Number's right here. Give me a call, shoot me a text. But let's go back to the video. All right, so this one is the Pinecrest. This one can be customized anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths to 3 baths. It's 2262 square feet, and this one starts at $404,000. Obviously, this would be your garage. They have this set up as their little design studio. So let's go in the front door here. Go inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Before we go in, we'll point out the little transom window above the front door there. It's a nice little touch. It's different anyway. All right, so we come in the front door here. Nice tall ceilings right here. Let's go upstairs first, then we'll come back down. All right, so we get to the top up here. You have this nice little loft space right here. Check out behind door number 1. You have your closet right there. And of course, you get to the top of the stairs, to your right would be your second story laundry room. All right, head down the hall here. To the left is going to be your air handler. And to your right is going to be your linen closet. Bathroom number 1 going to be right here. Got the single vanity in this one. Of course, the window looking out over the front roof. And then you have your tub and shower combo right here. All right, coming out of bathroom number 1, you're going to have bedroom number 1. And then you have your bypass doors here for your standard closet. And into bedroom number 2. And of course, this one just has a regular door for your closet here. Right, and then your main bedroom right back here. So nice size bedroom, plenty big enough for a king size bed, 2 nightstands, got your double windows looking out the back, and then plenty of space here for a dresser. Into your main bath, got your dual vanity here. And then right over here is going to be your shower. You have the tile around, your transom window up there, and of course your built-in niche. And then your water closet right there. And you know I'm gonna say it, I wish I would have taken the tile to the ceiling. I actually had a phone call with a buyer up in New Jersey, and we were talking about that, how at first he's like, oh, who cares? But then after he got to looking at houses, he's like, oh, it makes sense, man. Much nicer, would rather have, I've already showed you the linen closet, or the water closet. Probably shouldn't get sidetracked, huh? All right, so you got your walk-in closet back here. It is a little small, but overall, I mean, I guess the size of the home, be a little over 2,200 square feet. Not too bad, I guess. All right, let's head back downstairs, finish taking a look. And then you have that window up top right there as well to let some light in on the stairs. All right, so we get to the bottom of the stairs, come down the main hall here, and head over to the right. So, of course, they have a drop zone here, so plenty of space there to create a drop zone. I'm going to show you this. I just don't know what, because this would be your garage, obviously. So they have this just set up as their studio. So you can see the different collections here, how they do these if you decide to built from scratch. They do them in different collections. Also, this is what they use when they're picking out their different spec homes. Right, so we come in out of the garage, got your drop zone, then come out to the left of the main hall. You're gonna have your flip-flop closet and ton of storage underneath the stairs. And then before you get to the living room, you have a little hallway down this way. And what are we on, bedroom 4 right now? And then your closet here, a little bit deeper closet than the ones we saw upstairs in the secondary bedrooms. And then bathroom number 3 right here. Single vanity, have your tub and shower combo here. And then your linen closet right there. All right, coming in to your main living room space. I like how they use this wall here, set up a little desk there, so kind of give you an idea what you can use on that wall. And then open up to your living room here. And then of course it's open floor plan to your kitchen and dining room. Come in with the island here. And then what I really like is you have a walk-in pantry, a nice size pantry. It's funny how this was a nice size pantry and sometimes you have 5-bedroom, 3,000 plus square foot houses that are smaller pantries. But in the island here, you have your dishwasher, single bowl undermount sink, of course your push button there for your garbage disposal. Like I said in the previous home, this is an electric community, so this one has a slide-in range and the microwave above. Let's see, did they vent the microwave out? They did. Nice, and that one has a soft close. Love the extended countertop here and the extra window there. And of course your dining room space right here. And right out here, show you the covered lanai. So you come out, of course they screen these in on the model homes. And then let's go out here, I'll show you the back of this one. Once again, not so much the lot itself because it's a model home, but you can see obviously the 2-story, you get a bigger backyard. This is a nice lot though, once they eventually sell these, other than the road right there. But here's a look at the back of the Pinecrest. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.